but your jeans, yung isa ni Paul, di ba? Ani?
They are mostly from Cebu, some from Manila.
But you return that brother because not very complete. Look, have a skin and this and also brother, it's different color. Minat.
The wrong guy. I definitely should return it. Yes, good idea.
Yeah,
I
you
will
can
tell
return
my
that.
man
Where is
about-
the right side? The sumpay, ano ba?
I will take picture and file a complaint to Wrangler Corporation.
Yeah, because look, I will get the light, look. Wait.
I will get the light.
Are you wearing that this morning?
Huh? No, this morning I was wearing this without
Short?
this. This we only found in the afternoon, but there was supposed to be another one, and well, it wasn't.
Brother,
Pants.
look, brother. I was. Look, brother, I was shocked your jeans shirt down, long pants because it's different color also.
Yes.
Ay, paano mo?
It's a very unusual pants, I have to say.
Na, there's a light. Nako, oy. Nako, oy.
Oh, I see.
Ngit kayo.
Yeah, you think if I went somewhere to hold a speech, this is what I should wear because people would just look at my pants the entire time and not
Okay,
worry
okay.
about what I'm talking.
Pero makaingon sila brother nga nung sir minita pa rin. Abi lang lagi nagdaw sa pilit. Maybe they can say that. Let's say, English na ginagdaog.
Abusing.
Abi lang nila brother nga ipasagda na ka lang.
We're abusing you.
But if you feel hot, so it's hanging half of your foot, your bagtak ba? So jeans. But I forgot, brother. Don't worry. Tomorrow I will washing this one, the long pants ba?
There was
Pwede
They are here?
Ambak usaw na ice cold.
the lower part of this one. It's here.
No.
No.
But same here, brother. Have a partner ba? It's in
Yeah.
color. I look because it's that one is in color, right?
The-
Maybe it's
I
misplaced.
could switch them all because they're
I don't know, brother.
all modular.
For it should not complete, brother. I have idea, brother.
Also, I have more colors. I have black, so we could put the
Brother!
black one on this side.
Huh? Ay, brother, don't worry, brother. I mean, brother, no, it's not the same. Brother, don't worry, for it should not complete. I will put like this.
Galaw-gaw na sunod na ayan
Ay, brother, sige, come back ka sa urban. Then you come back here.
Okay.
You go to urban, then you come back here. I prepare the
It
coffee.
looks like you're having a very big dinner table.
Yeah, but I tell my mom we eat dinner here. Huh?
Okay,
I will
tell
prepare
her.
the egg, the fried egg. The egg ba?
I will. I will find the black one for this. So
The
that
black one?
I
Okay.
look proper for the dinner, right?
Okay.
Don't-
Okay. Brother, tell my mom we eat dinner here, ha?
Okay, I will tell her.
Sige.
You want I tell my only and keep secret to Arjun, or I tell both of them?